Hi, I'm Beth, test baker here at Erika Record. Today I'm going to discuss how important it is that consistency and accuracy in your measurements will also help with performing a successful test here in the baker's lab. It's really important to have a scale that measures in kilograms, pounds, ounces, and/or grams. This will simplify your math and scaling up and down. It'll help you to determine your baker's percentage, and it will also help you determine your recipe yield.
I'm going to take an empty measuring cup. I'm going to tare it, which means I'm going to cancel out the weight of the container that I'm measuring. And I'm going to pour this 8 ounces, fluid ounces of milk in here. And it's going to measure 8 ounces. This is fluid ounces. I'm going to take 8 fluid ounces, this is a 1 ounce measuring cup, of flour. I'm going to put my container on the scale. I'm going to tare it out, and I'm going to put my 8 fluid ounces of flour on the scale, and it weighs 5.15 ounces mass. It's very important to measure all of your ingredients on the scale and not in fluid ounce measuring cups. I find that recipes that are converted to grams and kilograms are even more accurate and precise, and it makes it even easier to convert your recipes by scaling up and down when they're in grams and kilograms. I'm going to tare my container, and I'm going to measure 1 teaspoon of flour. 1 teaspoon of flour is a volumetric measure. I'm going to weigh it, which is a mass measurement, and that's equal to 3 grams of flour. So in this case, if you have to scale your recipe up and down, you can do so when it's in grams and kilograms, and then you can mix and bake your product to see the outcome of your recipe. And if it's to your liking or your expectations, then you know that your conversions in your recipes are correct.
By providing us with accurate recipe information and requested information, we will be able to provide you with the most successful testing outcome. I'm very excited to test with you here at Erika Record, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. Please subscribe to the button below.